How to make someone an admin on Telegram, group and channel. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make someone an admin on Telegram for both groups and channels. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks. Step 1. Open Telegram and select your group or channel. First, open the Telegram app and navigate to the group or channel where you want to add an admin. Step 2. Access group or channel settings. Tap on the group name or channel name at the top. You'll see the list of members. Step 3. Add an admin. Tap the edit button in the top right corner. Scroll down and select administrators. Tap Add Admin and choose a member from the list. Step 4. Customize admin permissions. Telegram lets you control what admins can and can't do. You can allow them to add new admins. Enable anonymous admin mode. Transfer group ownership if you want them to take full control. Assign a custom title. Example, moderator or manager. Step 5. Save changes. Once you're happy with the settings, tap Done in the top right corner, and that's it. The person is now an admin. If this video helped you, hit the like button and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.